Hi dudes, today we're back with another unboxing video. We've got the Wavesau $300 mystery box, which I copped probably 2 weeks ago now. Yeah, I've been sitting on this one a long time. I don't know how I haven't unboxed this one yet. All I know is that I've been wanting to take a sneak peek inside, but you know, that's not fair to you guys. I'm here with my mate Sam. You can find him on Instagram at sam_burness.
Hey guys, what's up?
I just want to let you guys know that we are halfway to our sub goal on YouTube, and I'm so proud of you guys.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also let us know down below what kind of stuff you like from this box, and we might include it in the giveaway.
Every single person, until I say so, will be included into this giveaway. Next video is up, I'll tack along to the end of the video who the winner is. Super excited, you know, can't wait to bring that stuff to you guys.
Make sure you don't miss out.
Easy as. Okay, so this box here, this is from, as I said, Wavesau, Wavesneverdie. It is a 1 kilo box. I've blocked out all my postal info, and you guys, you know, pretty clean. Nice white, simple box, nothing written on the outside of it. Shall we give it a little shake?
Yep. It doesn't give away too much.
I mean, it doesn't give away anything at all, it's still wrapped in a box. I've actually got a decent knife this time, so let's get into it.
Can't believe Paige has been sitting on this box for so long. Like, we meant to plan to shoot this video last week, but since we have busy schedules and everything, and the weather wasn't that good, that we've had to wait. So it's been sitting in a room for about 2 weeks, and knowing me, I would have opened it straight away.
Mind you, it's actually raining right now. Well, actually, it's just stopped. We're bringing it to you guys, though. I cannot wait another day.
For the subscribers.
For the subscribers. Okay, so give you guys a little sneak peek first. Alright, not looking.
Not looking.
Feels pretty solid in there. I didn't mean to touch it. Alright. It actually, it feels like another box.
So it's a box inside a box.
Boxception. Alright, I don't know how I'm supposed to get this out. I suppose I'll just look at it.
Yeah, it's just a box. What could go wrong?
Oh, I actually thought it was a shoebox for a quick minute. Alright, this is what we got.
Black
Nothing
box.
left in there.
Nothing left
Cody.
in. Show you guys a sneak peek. Ready?
Whoop.
Whoop.
Alright, Sam, I'll let you go first and pick the first thing out of the box.
Okay. There's a lot of plastic.
Is it wrapped? Does it feel wrapped?
It feels wrapped. Everything's wrapped. There's a plate for wrap. Everything's wrapped.
No, pull it out, that's wrapped. It's like...
Oh no. Oh! So we have a Supreme padlock. It's worth around 150.
Yeah, 140, 150.
140, 150. I like this colorway more than the black. I like the red one. That's pretty exciting.
It's just, honestly, it's such a simple classic Supreme thing. Like, some of the accessories they come out with are just over the top, but man, the padlock is just so clean, it's so simple.
And you'd use it.
Honestly, I will use the hell out of that. Alright.
Your turn, please.
Alright. This feels like a bear brick. And it is a bear brick. So this is actually my third bear brick. It's a series 37. I'm not too sure if you guys actually know what these are. They're kind of just like little toys. I'll open it up after this video, let you guys know what we got. There's 2, 4, 6, 7. There's 14 different types of little bears that you can get out of this. I think these go for about 15 bucks.
Hopefully we get a pretty rare one for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a Supreme sticker.
Wait, that one is dope.
That's pretty cool. It's a bit inappropriate, but like...
This is the Supreme box logo with the 3M reflective on the back of it.
This is what, $20 would you say?
Yeah, I think that's actually about 20 bucks. I was actually going to cop one of those just to put on the back of my my laptop, but yeah, no, I actually love that so much.
It's a cool sticker. Your turn.
Oh, is this the last thing? Actually, you know what, I'm going to pull both of these out. I'm sorry that I looked into that, just making sure. So we've got the...
Nothing left.
I actually don't know what this is. This is a pin that says the SH word on it. We'll give you guys a close-up at the end of the video. This is actually pretty cool. It's a Supreme pin, has it around the edges of it. You know, something that you could probably be a little lame, chuck it on your shirt, chuck it on your backpack, stick it on your padlock. Alright, let's get into this this Waves. It kind of feels like a shirt. I'm guessing it's a shirt. It's got a little wave sticker on it, which is actually really dope. And yeah, let's get into it. Do we want to open this real slow or?
Yeah, just open it. Whoa! Oh! Okay, so we got another Supreme sticker. maybe 30, I'm
Okay,
guessing.
I went a bit too hype on that. I'm sorry. Kind of threw my shirt. What is this? Hey, okay, so we got the Supreme. We got the Supreme fruit shirt here. In red. That is actually so
That's
dope.
nice.
That
That's
is
a nice
so dope. You know what? These will match my my revenge storm.
From the last video.
Hey, okay, so I'm so pleased with that one. Yeah, I think these ones go. There's no price tag on it. I think these ones go for about 150. Yeah, 150-ish. But yeah, I was actually looking at copying one of these not too long ago, so I'm actually glad I got it in this.
Yeah, and the next item we have is a Supreme headband, new era. I don't know if you can see that. That's a pretty cool piece. How much?
I actually don't even know how much
I
those
wouldn't
go
know.
for.
I'm guessing 150 or something.
I mean,
I'm not too sure.
most of the headwear goes for about 150. This piece, I actually think this was from one of their newer drops. I could be completely wrong. They brought out so many colorways with this, so I'm actually pretty sure it came out with one of their newest drops. But you know, this could be a good little giveaway item, or you know, you could just see me rocking this.
Also, we have the Wavesau little card you get with the purchases. It says, thank you for shopping with Waves. And it's got a few, like, you know, a few brands in the back. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like Supreme, Nike, Adidas, Babe, Palace, Off-White. What else do we have? Oh. Got a Wavesneverdie sticker.
Hey, that's so dope.
You take this out.
And this has my, I guess, my billing info. So this has actually got everything that was in this box. And we paid $300 for it. And the total that we made from the box is $150. So pretty much with just the tee and the padlock, that goes for $290.
So
we made our money back.
$450 worth of items for a $300 box. That's pretty good. Pretty good profit right there.
I just want to say a massive shout out to Waves. Thank you so much for this mystery box. Honestly, this was amazing. Seriously. And thanks so much, Sammy, for being here.
That's right. Hopefully I can join you for another video next time.
Alright, and let's cut to the cinematic. Peace.
And Supreme red tees are the best kind of tees, in my opinion. And you got,